Daddy, you're a faggot!
What? Take your black ass down! Bird dog.
Hey, yo, Flame, how you made this one, man?
Louis trench coat, man, just to feel myself. I take these perks and sit to lean so I don't kill myself. I sell the purse and get the green, I feel like El Chapo now. I flood the city with the shipment, you can ask the town. I send them 9mm, I'm an instant deleter. Shooter named Johnny kill you inside of the theater. Yes, I do the perks and Molly, yes, I'm a pill eater. GK and RD like Kareem Hunt, I hang with woman beaters. All my dogs fuck with the mess, we don't fuck with Derek Jeter. The shit that I'm smoking so loud coming through your speaker. When I'm at my lowest, I go outside, then I light a Peter. I'm saying consistent with the cheese like I work at Caesar. Shot him in his stomach, opened up like a mythic creature. We don't sip the Henny, pouring codeine in the Sprite liters. All my shooters last second clutches hang with buzzer beaters. School can't find the push because it's inside my sneakers. All we do is stack and eat the wood we consider beavers. No, you cannot have a pack if you riding on the bleachers. I take more perks than Juice WRLD, I never had a seizure. Fuck a seizure.
Bird dog.
Shut up, bitch!
Feeling like an immigrant, these foreign's my garage. Biting my flow, these niggas a mirage. My weed legit, it look like camouflage. Rolling 15 deep, yeah, they just my entourage. My stripes from Russia and my bitch from Nigeria. Killed him days ago, he covered in bacteria. Your girl smell like fishy off the criteria. We know that shirt fake, look at the material. My show sell out, yours don't raise the roof. We know you broke and you smoking fucking booth. You still saying John Pork, nigga, you a goof. I'm real mature, I got hair on my gooch. Making it rain in the club, you pick it up. You got 15 bodies, sorry you a slut. My boys always with the green, yeah, they bout to putt. Dope, real shifty, he'll leave you with a cut. Your bitch ran through, she said it didn't hurt. Coming on her neck like fucking Charlie Kirk. 15 and 4 balling on the damn turf. Double Cup Productions, they on the fucking earth. You on the street like your name Marvin. He ain't eating days, we know he's starving. Dawg, you a senior, how you not starting? If Double Cup pull up, you know we harming.
Bird dog.
Hey, turn this shit up, Raymond. Dope boy. Hey. Dope. Dumb motherfucker.
Bird.
Dumb motherfucker.
No.
9mm with the infrared beam. Double cup, yeah, you know the fucking scheme. Cup. Shot him 25 times, then I flee the scene.
Bird dog.
Dumb motherfucker.
Bird.
Dumb motherfucker.
No.
Fuck her one time, then I'm done, motherfucker. Fuck 'em. Don't stop, now I'm about to come, motherfucker. Come. Slinging dope, never under the sun, motherfucker. Oh, give me that neck, bitch, give me that cart. Sucking on the dick, yeah, I like it when she slurp. Pound her down 6 feet in the earth. Fuck her one time, then I leave her in the dark. Shoot me in the back like I'm Lincoln. Shot him in his Kurt, yeah, that shit Lincoln. Bitches blowing dick, they getting semen. Screaming bloody murder, yeah.
Bird.
She seasoned. Dumb motherfucker. Dumb motherfucker.
Apologize for the inconvenience of me not giving up.
9mm with the infrared beam. Double cup, yeah, you know the fucking scheme. Shot him 25 times, then I flee the scene. Fucking on the bitch, yeah, I like it when she scream. Fuck.
Man, I know I'm gonna get got,
Bird dog.
but I'm gonna get mine more than I get got though.